name is Madushe and I live in Santa Cruz for a year. My visa is going to expire. I'm going back to Haiti. I would like to come back and I want to take all my friends from church and from school to be my friend for all. I am gonna miss everybody. I dance hip hop and I was in the choir and I learned how to play piano and then I also learned English. I didn't know English in Haiti. In the hip hop class, I learned how to dance hip hop very well. My favorite class at Mission Hill was choir because in choir we are like a family and share our idea about being in a choir and stuff, and the teacher was very nice and all my friends was nice. I've been in Hawaii and Florida, Texas, Arizona, Georgia, Tennessee, New Mexico. In California, I have been in San Diego, San Francisco, Lake Tahoe, and Santa Cruz. Those are my favorite places. I just want to thank all my teachers for helping me. And thank you. I don't know who I'm going to miss the most because I know I'm going to miss everybody.
How am I supposed to feel? You're striking my Achilles heel with everything that's wrong I can't make right. If I wait another 100 years, a whisper settle against the tears. I'm never gonna be that shiny